Today, we're going to draw a pumpkin carriage from a fairy tale. First, draw the outline of the carriage with simple lines, and then we'll start coloring. Begin by coloring the leaves green, then use dark green and yellow for the stem. Fill the pumpkin body with orange, leaving the areas for shadows uncolored. Add darker orange or reddish brown to the blank areas, making the pumpkin look more three-dimensional. Now color the wheels with yellow, making them shine like golden wheels. Finally, color the window with light yellow and beige, as if warm light is glowing from inside. You can also add some shadows under or beside the carriage, or draw stars and a moon to make it feel more magical. Look, our pumpkin carriage is finished, just like it's ready to take Cinderella to the ball. When imagination takes the lead, even an ordinary pumpkin can turn into a magical adventure.